fuel economy. Get it, girls. Student competition. All right now on FCA Replay. If visits to the gas pump aren't your thing, the 2020 Ram 1500 EcoDiesel offers welcome relief. New EPA fuel economy numbers rate the half-ton EcoDiesel at 32 miles per gallon highway and 22 miles per gallon city for 4x2 models, and 29 miles per gallon highway, 21 miles per gallon city for 4x4 models. Technology drives today's vehicles more than ever before. Some 50 Detroit area middle school girls took their tech curiosity to the next level at the annual Girls Get It Day at FCA. The Get It, or Girls Exploring Together Information Technology event, offered hands-on experiments like building a voice-controlled personal assistant and learning simple coding circuitry. The Get It Girls program aims to encourage girls to pursue a career in information technology. Well, not all collegiate victories are won in helmets and pads. For the FCA-sponsored 2019 National Black MBA Association Graduate Student Case Competition, teams from 36 business schools suited up in business dress, developed a business strategy around an automotive subscription service, and presented their business case to a panel of top business executives for a top prize of $50,000 in scholarships. FCA has sponsored the annual competition for more than 30 years as a means to help identify, recruit, and develop more diversity and business leaders for the future. And that's a look at what happened this week at FCA. Reporting for FCA Digital Media, I'm Betty Carrier Newman.